Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to online class. Exercise 6.5, question number 22 I am going to discuss today. A wire of length 28 meter is to be cut into two pieces, right? Length of 28 meter is divided into two pieces. Out of the pieces is to be made into a square and the other into a circle. Two pieces, one we are going to use and make it as a square, another one we are going to use and make it as a circle. What should be the length of the two pieces so that the enclosed area of the square and the circle is minimum, right? Circle, you want to say the derivative is greater than 0. Second order derivative is greater than 0. What do you want to do? You want to find first order derivative, then equate with 0. That point we call it as critical point. That you substitute in the second order derivative. If the second order derivative is greater than 0, your conclusion is minimum, right? Shall we enter into the solution part, children? Yeah, very good. You have to be attentive and listen how I'm going to make the statement into the format, the two simplest format, right? Now, first step, circumference of a circle. What is the formula? Solution, circumference of a circle. What is that? Anyone? Yeah, very good. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. We are dividing the wire into two pieces. One you are going to make it as a circle. That means it give you the circumference, right? Then r equal to what is that? Circumference. R equal to circumference divided by, sorry, circumference divided by 2 pi, right? One piece you are converted into a circle, another piece you are going to convert into a square, right? Now, let let the length of let the length of one piece, length of the piece, length of the piece bent into a length of a piece bent into a bent into the shape of, or you write like that, right? Into the shape of circle bx, right? And the remaining total length is 28, that is given to you, right? You have to remember that total length equal to 28. What it is given? 28 meter, right? Here it is x meter. The measurement is given to you in terms of meter, so you have to represent in that way. Next, the length of the piece, another piece, the length of the another piece bent into a shape of bent into the shape of into the shape of square, sorry, shape of square, shape of square be what? One you consider as x, the total length is 28. That means this is equal to how much? Yeah, very good. 28 minus x meter, right? If you want, I will explain here. One piece plus another piece equal to 28, that is given. One piece you consider as x, so another piece automatically you arrive to 28 minus x. That's all. Now what is the perimeter of a square or circumference, right? One piece you are converted into a circle, another one you are converted into square. Perimeter of a square, what it is? Anyone? You recall the formulas? Perimeter of a square. What it is? 4a. Right. That means what is side of a square? Side of a square equal to perimeter divided by 4. I hope you people understood, right? Now, the length only we are considering as x. The length you are bent into the shape of circle and the shape of square. That means it give you the perimeter of a square, circumference of a circle. I hope you people understood or not. Children, again I will reply. Sorry, again I will say the thing. The wire it cut into two pieces. One piece you are making into a circle, another one you are making into a square. That means it will give you the perimeter of a square and circumference of a circle. You can say perimeter also. Nothing is wrong, right? Now, what is area of a what is area of a circle? First you write circumference, right? Radius equal to, already we wrote circumference, right? The previous page I wrote, I think. Right, children? Say yes or no. Yeah. Excuse me, children. I will erase it. Now, radius equal to what you wrote? Radius equal to circumference. Radius equal to circumference divided by 2 pi, you wrote. Here the circumference is what? The length of a circle. The length of the wire bent into the shape of a circle you consider as x. That it gives you circumference. So x divided by 2 pi. X divided by 2 pi. I hope you people understood, right? Now the same way you can say area side of a square equal to side of a square equal to, you wrote perimeter. What is the perimeter of a square here? The length of the piece cut into the length of the piece bent into the shape of a square, that it gives you perimeter. What you assigned there? 28 minus x divided by 4. I hope you people understood, right, children? One piece you made into a circle, another one you made into a square. The piece you are made into a square is considered as x. So circumference is x because you are modified in terms of circle. Then the another piece you are converted into a square. The length it gives you perimeter, right? Now area of a circle. What are the things we need? Everything you have to write it first, right? Area of a circle. What is the formula for area of a circle? Yeah, very good. Pi r square, right? Now, area of a square, what is the formula? Area of a square equal to a square. Area of a square equal to a square. Now we are going to substitute the values in the format, right? We want to prove area is minimum, right? Using that we are going to get a function in terms of area of a circle plus area of a square, right? Now, what is that area of a circle? Area of a circle, area of a circle equal to pi into, what is your radius you assigned? X by 2 pi the whole square, right children? X by 2 pi the whole square, which is equal to pi into x square divided by 4 pi square. 1 pi cancel, you arrived x square divided by 4 pi. Right. Now, area of a square. Area of a square. Here you should mention the unit, children. Area can be represented by meter square. Then area of a square. What is the perimeter you have? 28 minus x, that is side, right? Divided by 4, the whole square. Area of a square is nothing but a square. So what is your a? The side we consider, side we arrived as 28 minus x by 4. Now what is the answer here you arrived? Which is equal to 28 minus x, the whole square, divided by 16 meter square, right? Now they are asking combined area, right? Combined area means what do you want to do? You have to add, that's it, right? Combined area. Let f of x be the sum of the f of x be the sum of the areas of circle and square, right? You are assigning the function as sum of the area of circle and square. Now what is that? You have to tell me. Yeah, very good. F of x equal to x square by 4 pi, that is area of a circle, plus 28 minus x, the whole square, divided by 16. The whole statement you are converted in terms of function as x square by 4 pi plus 28 minus x by 6, 28 minus x, the whole square by 16. Right, children? You may think that the problem is so lengthy. How come we have to modify? Once if you understood the concept, easily you can modify in terms of function, right? Now, you are going to differentiate. First step, what do you want to do? You have to recall. You want to differentiate. That is f dash of x equal to, when you differentiate this, the 1 by 4 pi is constant. Let it be as such. When you differentiate x square, what you will get? 2x plus. Here also the same. 1 by 16 is a constant. Let it be as such. You are going to differentiate this. 2 into 28 minus x. First you are applying the derivative of x power n concept. After that you should enter into the bracket and you have to differentiate. Your x is minus, so you arrived minus 1. Right. Now we have to simplify this. 2 ones are 2 2s are. Here also the same. 2 ones are 2 8s are. So what you arrive at the end, you see x by 2 pi minus 28 minus x by 8. Right. The next step, what you want to do? You have to equate with 0. You have to equate with 0. Right, children? You have to recall the step. That is very important, right? Second step is they equate with 0. F of x equal, f dash of x equal to 0, which implies x by 2 pi minus 28 minus x by 8 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Now we have to take LCM. What is the LCM here? What is the LCM here, children? Yeah, very good. LCM is f dash of x equal to 2 pi 8. Right, that is 16. Shall I take it in that way? Or 8 pi you should take? Better. 8 pi, right? 8 pi. How many times 2 appears in 8? 4 times. So 4x minus 28 minus into minus what? Here pi is missing, no? 28 pi minus, yeah, minus into minus plus x pi, which is equal to 0. Am I right, children? You got it, what I wrote here? Yeah. Now, the next step is, you are going to compare, right? You are going to compare the things which is common. Now, 4x minus 28 pi plus x pi equal to 0, equal to 0. Now in these two things, which is common? Anyone? Yeah, very good. X is common. So 4 plus pi. When you shift the minus 28 pi to this side, what can you get? 28 pi. Right? 28 pi. Now what is x? X is equal to, x is equal to, x is equal to 28 pi divided by 4 plus pi. 28 pi divided by 4 plus pi. Then you want to do the second order derivative. That you know very well, right? What is the second order derivative? F double dash of x equal to, f double dash of x equal to what? What is your first order derivative? X by 2 pi, right? X by 2 pi. What can you get? If you want, you write it here. For your convenient purpose, f dash of x equal to x by 2 pi minus, yeah, 28 minus x divided by 8. This is your f dash of x. Use it, this one you are going to differentiate again. So what can you get? 1 by 2 pi. Here minus 28, that is constant, you leave it. Then minus into minus plus x. When you differentiate x, what you will get? 1 by 8. Right? Now you understood or not, children? Again I repeat, you see, f dash of x. For your convenient purpose, I am going to write it again. 2 pi minus 28 by 8 plus x by 8. Then it is easy to you understand, right? Now what it is? When you differentiate x by 2 pi, you arrived 1 by 2 pi. When you differentiate minus 28 by 8, you will get it as 0 because it is a constant. Plus x by 8, it will give you 1 by 8. Here there is no x, right? So what is your next step? The value is greater than 0. At x is equal to what? 28 pi divided by 4 plus pi, f double dash of x greater than 0. Right? Will you agree or not? Yeah. Therefore, x is equal to 28 pi divided by 4 plus pi is a point of, what? Point of local minima. What they are expecting, that we proved, right? Point of local minima. Local minima. We proved. They said the combined area is local minima. We arrived the result as second order derivative is greater than 0. Therefore, it is local minima. You want to find the length of the circular piece as well as the square, right? They are expecting. So, you have to substitute the value in the format. That's it. Now, length. Length of a circle, right? Length of a circle equal to, what you had? Length of a circle equal to x by what? Length of a circle is what you assumed? Anyone? Length of a circle is x. So 28 pi divided by 4 plus pi meter, right? Next, square. Length of a square. Length of a square equal to 28 minus x. Your x value is what? 28 pi divided by 4 plus 5. Right, 28 pi divided by 4 plus 5. Here you have to take a LCM. 28 fours are. You have to multiply in the right side and then write the answer correctly. Right, 112. Right, children? Yeah. Did you understand or not? Now, 112 pi, sorry, 112 112 plus 28 pi minus 28 pi divided by 4 plus pi. You are taking LCM. So this and this cancel. You arrived 112 by 4 plus pi meter. Right, children? Whether you people understood or not. I hope you people understood. You have to go through again. Right? Thank you, children.